English action verbs.
Complete, to finish or bring to an end. Complete, to finish or bring to an end. Complicate, to make more complex or intricate. Complicate, to make more complex or intricate. Comply, to obey or conform to a request or command. Comply, to obey or conform to a request or command. Compose, to create or put together. Compose, to create or put together. Comprehend, to understand or grasp the meaning of. Comprehend, to understand or grasp the meaning of. Thank you for like and subscribe us. Compress, to press together or condense. Compress, to press together or condense. Comprise, to consist of or include. Comprise, to consist of or include. Compromise, to settle differences by mutual concession. Compromise, to settle differences by mutual concession. Conceal, to hide or keep secret. Conceal, to hide or keep secret. Concede, to admit or acknowledge reluctantly. Concede, to admit or acknowledge reluctantly. Conceive, to form or develop in the mind. Conceive, to form or develop in the mind. Concentrate, to focus or direct one's attention. Concentrate, to focus or direct one's attention. Concern, to worry or be anxious about. Concern, to worry or be anxious about. Conclude, to bring to an end or reach a decision. Conclude, to bring to an end or reach a decision. Concoct, to devise or create using skill and imagination. Concoct, to devise or create using skill and imagination. Condemn, to express strong disapproval of. Condemn, to express strong disapproval of. Conduct, to manage or direct. Conduct, to manage or direct. Confer, to grant or bestow. Confer, to grant or bestow. Confess, to admit or acknowledge wrongdoing. Confess, to admit or acknowledge wrongdoing. Confide, to trustfully share secrets or feelings. Confide, to trustfully share secrets or feelings. Confine, to restrict or enclose within limits. Confine, to restrict or enclose within limits. Confirm, to verify or establish the truth of. Confirm, to verify or establish the truth of. Confiscate, to seize or take possession of. Confiscate, to seize or take possession of. Conflict, to clash or be incompatible. Conflict, to clash or be incompatible. Conform, to comply or correspond with. Conform, to comply or correspond with. Confuse, to mix up or make unclear. Confuse, to mix up or make unclear. Congratulate, to express pleasure for someone's success or good fortune. Congratulate, to express pleasure for someone's success or good fortune. Conjure, to call upon or summon by magic. Conjure, to call upon or summon by magic. Connect, to join or link together. Connect, to join or link together. Conquer, to overcome or defeat. Conquer, to overcome or defeat.